most merciful. Today we drawing and coloring in R for Romaine. We started the series of alphabet learn with vegetable. So first of all we draw the sketch of R for Romaine vegetable.
Amazing!
Now we fill the color in it.
Amazing!
I hope you like my video, my drawing and my coloring. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more